Hello students, hope you all are safe at home. Welcome in SST class day 4. Yesterday I had discussed life in the southern plateau, the states like Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Maharashtra. Hope you have read the topics and revised the terms. Now before we start further, let me take feedback of the previous topics through cross questions. Which animal is protected in the Bandhavgarh National Park? What is the capital of Chhattisgarh? What are the traditional clothing of men and women in Maharashtra? Name the popular festival of Maharashtra. I hope you all are able to answer all these questions. Now let's discuss the states which comes under the southern plateau. These are Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. So children, at the end of today's topic, you will be able to know about the life in the Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Now before we start the topic, let's discuss the terms of today's topic. Number 1, handicrafts, handmade items. Number 2, delta, a triangular piece of land formed at the mouth of the river. Number 3, bidri work, inlay work on brass or copper base. Now let's start reading. Karnataka. Bengaluru is the capital. So students, what is the capital of Karnataka? Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. The land surface here is rocky and uneven. Rocky means stony. Uneven means not level. Krishna, Tungabhadra and Kaveri flow through this state. So children, name the rivers that flow in Karnataka. Krishna, Tungabhadra and Kaveri rivers flow through Karnataka. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people here. Which is the main occupation of the people in Karnataka? Agriculture is the main occupation of the people in Karnataka. Coffee, cotton, jawar, spices and sugarcane are grown here. Spices means masale. The forests in this state are known for their teak and sandalwood. Teak means hard durable timber used in shipbuilding and for making furniture. Sandalwood means a widely cultivated Indian tree that yields fragrant timber and oil. Karnataka is famous for the handicraft made of sandalwood. Now I will explain this paragraph through these pictures. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. Krishna, Tungabhadra and Kaveri flow through this state. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people here. Coffee, cotton, jawar, spices and sugarcane are grown here. Karnataka is famous for handicrafts items made of sandalwood and teak. Let's continue. The other important cities are Mysore and Mangaluru. People here speak Kannada. Men mostly wear lungi and shirt and women wear saris. Dasara, Yugadi and Shivratri are the festivals celebrated here. See students, Mysore, Mangalore are the important cities of Karnataka. People speak Kannada. Men mostly wear lungi and shirt and women wear saris. Dasara, Yugadi and Shivratri are the festivals celebrated here. See student, the city of Mysore has a long tradition of celebrating the Dasara festival with great pomp and show. To mark the festival, the Hindu festival of Dasara, Vijayadashmi, celebrates the victory of good over evil. Next is Yugadi festival. Yugadi is celebrated on the first day of the Chaitra month in the state of Karnataka. It is believed that Lord Brahma, the creator of the universe, created days, months, years, and the vital elements of nature. Next is Shivratri festival. Shivratri is celebrated all over India, which is very famous festival. People worship Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati. It is one of the important festival of Karnataka. Now next state is Andhra Pradesh. Hyderabad is the capital. So what is the capital of Andhra Pradesh? Hyderabad is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. The fertile deltas formed by the rivers Krishna and Godavari are ideal for rice cultivation. Delta means a triangular piece of land formed at the mouth of the river. Ideal means perfect. Cultivation means the action of cultivating land or growing. Farmers here grow rice, sugarcane, groundnut, jowar and tobacco. Now see students, Hyderabad is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. The fertile deltas formed by the rivers Krishna and Godavari are perfect for growing rice. Farmers here grow rice, sugarcane, groundnut and jowar. Let's continue. Telugu is the language spoken by the people here. Men wear dhoti and women wear saris. Kuchipudi is the famous dance form of this state. So students, name the famous dance of Andhra Pradesh. Kuchipudi is the famous dance of Andhra Pradesh. This state is known for the Bidri work on brass and copper. Bidri work means inlay work on brass or copper base. Now see students, men wear dhoti and women wear saris in Andhra Pradesh. People speak Telugu. Kuchipudi is the most popular dance. The state is famous for Bidri work. Let's continue. Salaiyang Museum, Charminar and the huge statue of Lord Buddha in the Hussain Sagar Lake are tourist attractions here. Museum means a building in which objects of historical or cultural interest are stored and exhibited. Tourist means a person who is traveling or visiting a place for pleasure. Tirupati is a famous temple town. Now see the pictures. Salaiyang Museum, Charminar and the huge statue of Lord Buddha in the Hussain Sagar Lake are tourist attractions here. Hussain Sagar Lake separates the city of Hyderabad from its neighborhood Sikandrabad. Tirupati is a famous temple town. Now next state is Tamil Nadu. Chennai is the capital. So children, what is the capital of Tamil Nadu? Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Kaveri, Vegai and Pallar are the rivers that flow through this state. Farming is the main occupation here. Rice, sugarcane, cotton and groundnut are the crops grown here. In the mountain slopes of Nilgiris, coffee and tea are grown. The famous temple towns of this state are Madurai Meenakshi Temple and Thanjavur Brihadeshwar Temple. Now students, I will explain this paragraph through these pictures. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Kaveri, Pallar are the rivers that flow through this state. Farming is the main occupation here. Rice, sugarcane, cotton and groundnut are the crops grown here. In the mountain slopes of Nilgiris, coffee and tea are grown. Madurai Meenakshi Temple and Thanjavur, Brihadeshwar are the famous temple towns of this state. Now let's read further. Tamil is the language spoken by the people. So children, which language is spoken by the people of Tamil Nadu? Tamil is the language spoken by the people of Tamil Nadu. Bharatnatyam is the traditional dance of this state. Almost all the festivals are celebrated here. The most important festival celebrated here is Pongal, the harvest festival. Harvest means the process or period of gathering in crops. Now see students, Tamil is the language spoken by the people. Bharatnatyam is the traditional dance of this state. Pongal, the harvest festival, is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. I hope today's topic is clear to all. So your homework is reread today's topic. Do question number 4th and 5th of exercise C. Do question number 3rd and 4th of exercise D. Thank you.